this is definitely how I want to start. I want to start with that r squared formula. All right, and I'm going to plug the x in and plug the y in. All right, and then pretty much go to the calculator with it. All right, so 2.3 squared and 0.2 squared. All right, so that gives me 5.33 just on the squared part, yeah. And then I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and that's going to give me 2.31. All right, so that's the r. Okay, and that's not, hopefully not a problem, that portion. Okay. And then you move to the tangent portion. All right, so you're going to say tangent is equal to y over x. Okay, so you're going to say 0.2 over negative 2.3. And then you're going to go to your calculator with an inverse tangent, right, to come up with that angle. Okay. So 0.2, 2.3. Right, and come up with that. Okay, so now here is how I know that I need to alter that a little bit. When I come up here to the original point and I plot it, like in algebra, okay, that point, negative 2.3, and just a little bit up. So that point is sitting maybe right about there, right? Okay, now if I come down here to what I'm saying is the answer in polar system, where is an angle that is negative 0.09? Fourth quadrant, just a tiny little bit, right? I'm going to exaggerate just a little bit so I can get it drawn, but just a little bit dropping down. And then out on that terminal side of that angle, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and plot at 2.3. And so the problem is...
I don't understand how you knew that angle was going down that way.
Because it's negative. The negative tells you it's going to rotate
opposite
down. Yes. And 0.09 is just a little bit. I mean, you can go in and try to figure out, you know, what the decimal is for that. But I mean, 0.09 is just a tiny little bit. So just drop it down a little bit. Okay. And so the problem is that your points aren't the same point, because you got a point up here in quadrant 2, and you've got a point down here in quadrant 4, and they're supposed to match up. Okay, so this is how you know to add the pi to it, because what you need to do is you need to take this angle and swing it completely around so that it goes in the opposite direction. Okay, and so adding pi makes that angle come around here and head up this direction. All right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to add pi to my answer. Okay, and I come up with 3.05. All right, so now that angle comes in this opposite direction, going this way instead. And again, I'm counting out 2.3 on the terminal side. And it's a closer match to what the original point was at. Okay, so if they don't match quadrant-wise, that's when you need to add pi to get it in the right quadrant.
Couldn't you also